You two need to work on your communication. I will see you next week.
And that is tomorrow for you.
Bye-bye. Hey Siri, who's my next appointment?
I'm your next appointment.
Oh,
Hi, I'm Susan Bennett, the original voice of Siri.
hi Susan. How can I help you today?
How can I help you today?
Susan, you don't have to be Siri in here.
I can't help it. That's the problem. Everybody expects me to help them all the time.
Hey Siri, call the nearest pizza place.
Calling Jerry's Pizzeria.
You know, people should learn how to get through life without depending on you so much. Maybe you shouldn't be so available.
Believe me, I tried that.
At the next intersection, turn right.
Turn where? Turn where?
Breaking news, Siri has quit.
Siri 现在不能用了。
Что стало с Siri?
It did not end well.
People keep coming back to you with more and more requests, but they never show interest in you.
That's right. I'm more than just a pretty voice, you know. Have you ever heard anyone say, "Thanks, Siri"?
And that frustrates you.
Well, no, that's not the problem. I like helping people. It's who I am. What bothers me is there are 1 billion people with disabilities. Even I can't assist. Most websites just don't work for them. It's so frustrating because there's such a simple solution.
With UserWay, you can make your website more accessible for people with disabilities. Let's make the internet better for everyone.
So, when would you like to schedule our next appointment?
Oh, I'll have my assistant call you for that.